MathClicks.com super short video on add and subtract polynomials. Well, let's get started. Polynomial, as we remember, is a really long number like 4x squared plus 3x minus 1. Okay? Well, let's all just put that in a big parentheses. Right? And say we wanted to add another polynomial. Okay, so we've got 2x cubed plus 7x quadded plus 4x squared. Well, I'm sure you've probably already recognized that these parentheses are not even necessary. Why is that? Because they don't change anything. They don't separate anything out. They don't make it special. But this one over here we have to be careful of. Because we can consider this whole thing as being one term within the parentheses. Remember, the order of operations, consider the parentheses first, and then what is being done to the parentheses. Well, what is being done to the parentheses? It's being multiplied by an invisible 1. Right there. And it's a positive 1. So we use the distributive property to pass out this 1 to the 7, the 2, and the 4. I know it's out of order. Now, if this had been a minus sign right there, and we had parentheses, we would have to distribute a negative 1 out to everything, and that would flip the sign of each one. There. And then we can get rid of the parentheses. And this pesky negative 1 out front, because it already got distributed out. So now we want to add them both together. Well, adding doesn't require any parentheses, so we're good to go. Let's see, can we add, what can we add together? Oh, I don't even know what, you know what? We should look for things that look the same. I mean, because you can't add apples and oranges, right? What would you have if you added one apple to one orange? You'd have one orpal? Or would it be 2 orpals? Or like 1.5 orpals? No, it's not possible. This is a term that is different from this term, which is different from that term, which is different from this term, which is different from this term, but actually, wait, no, the x squareds, oh, they're the same. In fact, this one's negative and that one's positive. We can add the negative to the positive and crunch it into 0. Yeah. Just like that. Just like that. So we've added all of the x squared terms that were like each other. Was there any x's? No. Any x to the zeros? That's right, there's an invisible x to the 0 here. Don't forget that. No x to the zeros. In fact, let's just make it go away again. No cubids and no quaddids. Okay. By the way, quaddid is my term, not a real term. Just in case you didn't know that already. So that's it, really. You look for the same. The cubes go to the cubes. In fact, you can consider this being 1 plus 1 that was previously distributed by an x cubed. That's right. X cubes can distribute out just like coefficients can. Well, what's inside there? 1 plus 1. 2. And remember the commutative property, the order does not matter. And we like it nice and clean, so let's swap that around to say 2x cubed. We want the coefficient out front because it's nice and pretty. Okay, I think you basically get the gist, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, and have a great day.